Replace the internal components anytime you feel your plate level is not performing optimally. First, find the two Allen keys in the maintenance kit. Remove the locking pin screw, then remove the pin, and remove all old components. Place the new big and little glides between the tension spring. Press together, then insert into the level. Add big and little glide to the second set of holes. For these, no spring is necessary. Place the two spacers around the extension rail and slide into place. Insert lock. Grab the lock pin and two screws. Add one screw to the lock pin. Push through lock hole. Place remaining screw on Allen key. Screw into lock pin. You have now finished replacing the internal components.